Hi everyone, I'm Kelvin. Today I decided to speak in English because that's upon request of many of our customers. Okay, what we have here today is E90 BMW M3. Okay, it was produced in 2010. As you can see, the beautiful condition of this car. All right, but it's reaching 10 years old. So the car is due for COE renewal, and most of our customers, they decided to keep the car for another 10 years or even more because this is the V8 engine and it's no longer in production. So what we did to the car today is basically to give the new technology features like Carplay, Android Auto, and we integrate into the old in the existing and old BMW system. Okay, so this is what we have. The car came with this system called CIC. It's actually started in 2009 until 2015. You can see this commonly in earlier days of BMW E series and also some of the F series. So due to the age, all these cars doesn't have new features such as CarPlay or even simple features such as Bluetooth. So this is what we did for the car today. I'll show you in a short while. Okay, today we have integrated the CarPlay and Android Auto into this 2010 BMW M3. Okay, this car has originally came fitted with the CIC iDrive system, alright, as you can see here. So after we fitted the CarPlay and Android Auto interface, this is how we go into it. Alright, first we press the manual button on the controller. Okay, that brings us to the CarPlay manual or Android Auto manual. Okay, so the connection basically is wireless. Okay, now this CarPlay is actually connected to this phone. Okay, whatever you're seeing here is from the phone itself, the apps. Okay, whatever the supported app, it will show up here, all right, in the system itself. Okay, so as you can see, the controller is used to control and navigate through the CarPlay manual. Okay, including playing of music. Okay, so whatever app you have inside the CarPlay, okay, in the manual, depends on what you have on the phone. Okay, so say for example I want to change track. Okay, I can use the controller. I can even use the buttons on the steering wheel to change track. As you can see, it's changing the moment when I'm pressing the buttons on the steering. I can go back, I can go forward, I can up the volume. Okay, I can down the volume. Okay, so basically it's fully integrated to the system itself, and this is a 2010 BMW M3 we are talking about. It's not a new one, so we are able to provide this integration for most of the BMW and also some other cars. Thank you for watching.